Hi, in this video I wanted to show you how to mount SWMOTECH crash bars to the Ducati Multistrada V2 or V2S 2025 model. So on the beginning we have to unscrew these two bolts which are just over the radiator, and that's gonna be our first mounting point. The second one is on the left side of the motorcycle. Here there is no bolt in it by default, and here we're gonna use the longer bolt with the spacer, and of course I got some glue to prevent against unscrewing. And on the other side there's similar point which is here, and the same, there is no bolt in it by default. Okay, so that's how it looks with the crash bar on. It seems to be pretty solid. Now I got some extra space to mount some fog lights or bags. It's quite simple job, about 10 minutes, one person. You will need some wrench and 4 different size of torques. It's a size 5, 6 and 8. As I said before, you have to start with unscrewing these two bolts. Here is the place where both sides of the crash bars are connected, and of course the big bolt is going there into the engine. Okay, so thank you for watching, and bye bye.